Alright, so we've got this fat cat here. This is from the Life of Pets movie. We've got this dog with the chain over its mouth. I like that. That is pretty cool. Is there any... It looks good. I like the sculpt all around. Very cool. We got the pig. Aha, that is so cool. We've got the pig with the ham portions already kind of cut out. He's got a mom tattoo in the back. That's pretty cool. So we got the cutie little girl dog from the movie. She's so cute. My daughter's gonna love her. And then we also have... Oh. She doesn't stand too well. Check this guy out. I thought he was so cool. Look at him. His eyes look all annoyed. This was $3 from AliExpress. Like, this is super duper cool. We've got the crocodile. Oh, I love how messed up. This is so... Oh, that's just hilarious. I love it. Very cool little figurine. We've got the dog, which I believe is like the main character in the game. I mean, the movie, sorry. But wait, there's more. We've got this dog from the movie. He's pretty cool. I think they did such a good job with the detail on these guys. Like, holy cow. We've got this hawk, which has the most hilarious eyes. I mean, for $3, this is some value, AliExpress. We've got another version of the dog, but this one's happy and not so serious. We've got the bunny crying. We've got a crying bunny. Isn't that hilarious? We got a regular, just non-crying bunny. Very good. They did such a good job, especially giving so many sculpts, and for the price. These sculpts came out to like 20 cents a piece. If that. This thing is really cool. I like it a lot. We've got the bird, the little birdie from the movie. Looks like he's got some details back there. And got the doggo, another Happy or Curious version. So let's get them all together. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Life of Pets figurines from AliExpress. Look at how silly that guy looks. But they did such a good job, for the most part, with the paint and the value for these little guys.
wow, wow, wow.